What is up, you guys? Welcome to or back to my channel. Today we have a massive haul. I went shopping at the mall. I also went shopping at Ulta, and then I do have a huge haul of like PR that I have gotten within the past couple of days. So we are going to get into everything. Also, if my voice sounds weird, it's because I've been sick for like 2 months on and off now, and so I'm not sick anymore, but my voice is still like messed up. So yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe because I do post every single week, and let's get right into it. Also wearing the hat and the scarf still because I just got back from shopping and I was shopping all day, and I'd rather have a hat on than the lines that these hats leave on my forehead. So anyways, we are going to start off with the most things that I got from one store, and that is at Old Navy. If you have Supercash, it is available to use now through, I want to say like a week or two from now, so definitely use your Supercash if you have it. I believe it was like 20 off of 50, 40 off of 100, and then like 60 off of 1, something like that. And I ended up getting, I think, the $40 off. So this is everything that I got from Old Navy. I wanted these so bad, but they sold out in all of the smaller sizes, and I fell in love with this one from this year. I believe it was 20% off. It was $40. Normally 50, and this is what it looks like. It is so cute. It is this quarter zip like Sherpa sweater. It is a men's, so I love that it is like going to be oversized on me, and it is so cozy. It is like a blanket, and again, it's a quarter zip. I just feel like this is going to be a fall and winter staple for like every single year, so I'm so happy that I finally got one. So I got me and my husband matching pajama bottoms. We have some like Christmas trips coming up and stuff, and I just thought these were really cute. So these are the ones that I got for him and I. It is this like super dark green and black plaid pant, and they are wide leg, which I love. They feel super comfy, and these I think were like 40% off or 50% off. They were only like $12 each, so I picked up 2 of those, one for me and one for him. And then you guys probably know, if you watch like my other videos and stuff like on my other channels, I wear these scarves all the time. This one is from last year. I have like 3 different ones, and I get so many compliments on them. They're literally huge, like, so they're like a blanket, and I love them so much. I wear them all winter long, all fall long, so I went ahead and I restocked because yeah, these are such a staple for me. This type specifically with like the fringe on the bottom in this material are going to be like a staple. I promise. They are so worth it. They were on sale for only $10. They're normally $20, and this is one that I got. How beautiful is this for like the fall and going into the winter? Even with that quarter zip, I think it is so cute and so perfect. And then I did also get this one. This I would probably only use in the fall, but the colors are like just so beautiful and so fall. They honestly just remind me of like Gilmore Girls, like, I don't know, very nostalgic, vintagey vibes from this scarf, so I had to get it. And then the last scarf that I got is just this plain white one in the same material because I was like, I need more staple pieces. So I went ahead and I picked those up. They did have hats as well, but I didn't end up getting any because I like hats like these that have the little palm on top, because I feel like the ones that are just like regular beanies typically kind of like slide off your head, and I don't like that. I don't know, I just feel like this style specifically like just stays in place and doesn't bother me when I wear them all day. So I didn't pick up any hats, which was kind of disappointing. They had 2 of them in this style, but the like patterns and colors, in my opinion, were just like not it. So yeah, anyways, I do also have some other stuff that I picked up from Old Navy. Like I got these gloves. I also picked up some socks as well. So I got these Christmas socks. They're long and they're so cute. I also got these blue ones, which I think are adorable. I picked up a pair of like plaid ones, and then I also got these, which are like a little more neutral. And by the way, I would wear all of these with like probably leggings and then my Uggs, and kind of let them stick out of my Ugg boots. That's how I would personally wear them or style them. If I'm wearing like a pair of jeans, I'm probably not going to wear like fuzzy socks like this under them. maybe I will, but I just feel like they're really cute styled with like leggings and boots. And then I did also get a black pair of gloves. So yeah, all of that stuff all together was $70, which I personally think is a good deal because I mean, I got 2 pairs of gloves, like 4 socks, I got 3 scarves, I got 2 pajama pants, and then also the quarter zip. So yeah, that's everything that I got from Old Navy, and I'm super happy with all of my purchases from there. And then of course this wouldn't be a haul from Emma if it didn't have a perfume, and this is from Ulta. So when I had gone into Ulta last time I was there, I really wanted this, and then I was like, oh no, I'll just put it on my Christmas list. But then it ended up being 30% off for early Black Friday deals. And so this is a set, I believe the value is normally $90. It was retail for $79, and then it ended up being $55. So I was like, okay, like I'm just gonna buy it now while it is on sale. This is the fragrance. It is called Crumb Couture, and it is from the brand Sniff. And I'm sure you guys have seen Sniff everywhere. I have the one that smells like maple pancakes, and I have the Berry Styles mist that I pair on top of it. But you guys, this scent is phenomenal. It comes with a 30 milliliter and a 10 milliliter little like spray, and it says the notes are croissant accord, wild berry jam, black currant, toasted vanilla, tonka bean, and sandalwood. And you guys, it smells like if you like the maple pancakes, the blueberry maple pancakes from Bath and Body Works, it's like a more elevated, sophisticated like type of scent, kind of similar to that, but it's like still gourmand. It has so much more croissant. It's like if you took the maple blueberry pancakes from Bath and Body Works and mixed it with a buttery croissant. Like, that is what this is. It is one of the best things I've ever smelled. And when I tested it and sprayed it on myself a few weeks ago when I first smelled it, all day long I was getting whiffs of it in like the best way possible. It was so good. So yeah, I'm so excited. It came with this like little bottle, and then also this one too. So again, really excited about that, and I will definitely use this when I travel. And so yeah, I picked that up as well. And now let's get into Hollister. I typically don't really like, it's not that I don't get much from Hollister. I just feel like 1 out of every 5 times that I go into Hollister, I end up getting something. I feel like, you know, they have super cute stuff, but I feel like for me personally, Hollister in the summer is when I'm like a sucker. Like once those shorts are like $20, $25 and everything else, I'm like, even the graphic t-shirts and like off the shoulder tops and stuff, when they're like $12, $15, I end up buying a bunch of those. But like, I feel like in the fall and winter, when everything is $50 to $100 a piece, I kind of like pick and choose a lot more, I would say. But I got a lot of stuff, and let me tell you, the prices ring up on these items a lot cheaper than the tags were saying. So first we have these. These are sleep shorts, and they look like this. They have ruffles on the bottom, which is so cute, and they're striped as well. I feel like these are super flattering too, and they were normally $20, but I got them for $10, and I think they are adorable. And then these, I think I'm most excited about. These were $20, and I typically feel like I wouldn't buy something like this, but I just know I will use them. They're these super cute like lounge pants, and they do have the tie. They're like slightly flared like at the bottom, but they are so cute. It's like a ribbed, super stretchy material. I did size up in these because like I just want them to be a little loose and like cozy. But I feel like this, even with like a neutral sweater on top or like a Christmas sweater on top, like layered, I think is going to be super cute. So these were on sale for $20, normally $40, so 50% off of these as well. Then the next thing that I did pick up are these pants, and like typically I don't even really buy pants, so like I'm surprised I was able to find all of these and actually bought them. So these are normally $50. The clearance tag says $22, but they ring up for $13, and I'm so happy about that because I'm actually obsessed with them. They're the Gilly Hicks Recharge, and I did get these in an extra small, which is my size, and they're so cute. They almost look like a track pants, but then they like kind of like have a slit right here with a bow, but they're almost like a more weighted legging material. So I think these are going to be super cozy to wear on a day-to-day basis. I can see myself wearing sneakers and basically any hoodie that I want with them. So yeah, I'm super happy about that. And then the last thing that I picked up, and this rang up for like $10. It is normally $45. It said it was on clearance for $17, but it rang up for like $10. And I bought this because it reminds me of like Cinderella. It is off the shoulder. Look at how cute that little graphic is. And this is what it looks like. I'm so excited to wear this. I'm definitely going to bring it on like my next Disney trip. And again, like I can see myself wearing this all throughout the year because I feel like an off-the-shoulder sweatshirt you can get away with wearing throughout the year. It would be especially cute spring and summer, but even in the winter too. I love this like blue color. So yeah, that is everything that I picked up at Hollister and also at Ulta and Old Navy. Now let's get into all the PR that I have gotten in the past couple of days. I literally have it all thrown in this bag. So the first thing that we have is from Urban Decay. This is their naked shaped multitasking palette. It has mattes, creams, shimmers, glitters. You can shape, shade, define, and sculpt. It says for eyes and beyond. This is the cool palette. I actually have this already. They had already sent me one in the past. They're basically just sending me like, you know, people's favorites items, but they already sent me in PR this in the past. So I'm gonna give this to my best friend. But look at how beautiful this is. Like, it is so pretty, and I use it honestly like pretty often. All the shades are so versatile, and I love this shade especially for like bronzing, contouring. It's so good. It's such a good everyday palette. If you like cool tone palettes, I think they do have a warm one too. So I would highly recommend these. I feel like that would be a really good gift too. Urban Decay also restocked me on literally my favorite setting spray. This is the Matte Finish All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. I love this so much. The dewy one I love too, honestly, for like the summertime, but I actually typically prefer a more matte setting spray because I use a bunch of dewy products to like prep my skin and like highlight and stuff, so I feel like it levels it out. This is by far the best matte setting spray I have ever used. Like, I'm telling you, I've used so many matte setting sprays and they either leave like a weird cast on your face or like they're just, a lot of them I do not like, but this one is so good. So yeah, they restocked me on that and I'm super happy because I have like this much left on my other one. Mix Bar is now at Walmart, which is so exciting. I love Mix Bar. I've bought with my own money a lot of stuff from them in the past, specifically their vanilla bourbon scent. Chef's kiss. It is so good. It has gone viral so many times. First scent that they sent me is Whipped Almond. This is their Eau de Parfum, and the notes are toasted almond, sweet milk, rich sandalwood. And yeah, I cannot wait to use this. It looks so, so good. And then they did also send me a few other fragrances. So they sent me this Cloud Musk perfume, and it says the notes on this one are like tonka bean. It just looks like tonka bean musk. The vanilla bourbon, which I'm so excited about because I have the travel mist, but I don't have the perfume. So like, I'm super, super, super excited to have this because I'm going to pair it with the mist and also a bunch of other perfumes. And then they did send me a couple mists as well, the Cloud Musk and then also the vanilla bourbon, which these are so cute. I do have the vanilla bourbon already. I use it when I travel, so I'm very excited about that. And then next up, I also have some PR from Versed. They sent me a restock on their smoothing lip blush, and I personally love this stuff. Like, it is, I got the shade, let me see. It's called Scene, and it is so, so pretty. I have a different shade that I've been using, and I love it so much. It looks like so natural, and it doesn't really feel like you have anything on. And then this is their serum concealer. I believe I loved and used the entire concealer. I think the foundation possibly broke me out, but I don't know. So I'm gonna have to play with it again, but I feel like I remember really liking the concealer, so definitely excited to give it another try. And yeah, They sent me that. I love their skincare so much. I use Verse skincare like almost every other day. I love it. Have literally like every perfume from this brand. It's called Jahara. I hope I'm saying that right, Jahara. And I have never heard of them before. From what I see on social media, they're not a big brand, but they sent me all their fragrances and I'm excited to try them. They almost look like Kayali fragrances, and yeah, they feel and look really, really luxe. This one is called Golden Nectar. They also sent me Sultan Rose. They sent me, this is the one I'm most excited about. It is called Sweet Dates. I'm really excited about that, honestly. We're gonna smell it. I wouldn't say that smells like dates. It's like, in the cap at least, it just smells like floral fresh, honestly. And then they also sent me Oud Velvet. And then the last one is Amberwood Nomad, which I'm going to spray this one too and see if they all kind of smell the same. Oh no, this one smells really good. So maybe it's just that one or it's sprayed in the thing. This one smells really, really good. Amberwood Nomad. All right, now I got to spray all of them, honestly. Oud Velvet. That one smells more similar to the first. Oh no, it's okay. Not my favorite. This one, the Sultan Rose. Ooh, I like this. The rose one is really, really good. It reminds me of like a Lancome perfume. And then we have Golden Nectar. I'm excited for this one too. No. That one smells like medicine to me. Okay, so I would say, I mean, I can't say anything off of longevity or anything like that. Off of first impressions, I feel like it's like very hit or miss. I would say, you know, don't run out to get these, but like I have to test them first, like I said. But I would say I would definitely use the Oud Velvet, the Amberwood Nomad, and then the Sultan Rose. The three of those smell really, really good. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna have to play with them a little longer, and if I do like them, you'll probably see them in future videos or in my favorites and stuff like that. But yeah, that is all the PR that I have gotten. Honestly, I do smell the perfumes like still lingering, like they are quite strong. So I mean, that is good. Like I said, I will continue to mess around and see how I like them. But yeah, that is everything that I have bought at the mall and Ulta, and then everything that I received in PR in the last couple of days. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, because again, I post every single week. And yeah, bye guys.